Hi, my name's Kip Bradford and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip we're going to talk briefly about microphone placement. We're going to cover using the two most commonly used types of microphones in the live environment. But remember, there's lots and lots of choices, and read your specifications and experiment. But let's assume, now this is a typical microphone that we would use to mic guitar cabinets and so forth. Snare drum and those types of things. Now let's assume that this speaker is actually a guitar cabinet. And you see here's the speaker. You can kind of see that in the video. Now as you move and set your microphone throughout the range of the speaker, the width of the speaker, and this is a 12-inch speaker, you will get different tones as you set this here. And the proper place to start with, and it's all subjective and you can make decisions as you listen to it, but normally on a guitar cabinet I will set it about 3 or 4 inches from the grid or the grill and just off the center axis, and you'll get a little bit warmer, better tone. If you want a brighter tone, you could put it straight in the middle. But this is kind of the common place to put that for microphone placement. Same with the snare. You would put it just off center on a snare drum, off to the edge. One, you don't want the guy hitting it, and two, 2 or 3 inches from the top of the snare. Sometimes you can put it underneath and pick up the snare. Sometimes you'll use 2 of these for the snare. And then with the vocal microphone, what's really important is to maximize the gain of all of your microphones, and that means get them closer. Anytime I half the distance, I'll gain 3 decibels more input. So the proper way to use a vocal microphone, a dynamic one anyway, will be anywhere from 3 to 6 inches. Now most seasoned vocalists will actually use them much closer than that and put their mouth right on it, which can pick up noise and so forth, but closer is typically much, much better than far away. There's another term that you'll find used with certain microphones, and that is proximity effect. And the proximity effect is often used by vocalists, especially bass singers, but other vocalists as well. Whereas the closer you get to certain types of microphones, or many types of microphones, the lower the frequency response. The frequency response for the low notes is enhanced. So you've seen bass singers who eat the microphone on their lowest notes, and they're taking advantage of that proximity effect. There are low proximity effect microphones which, as you come closer, the frequency response does change a little, but not near as much